All right, for this problem, what they're asking is to take these 2 points, find an equation, and put that equation into function notation. So those are 2 things. First, we're going to find the slope, and then we're going to use the slope and one of the points to find the equation of the line. After that, to put it into function notation just means we're going to do f of x instead of y. So you know how we do y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept? Here, we're just going to take y and replace it with f of x. Okay, y equals mx plus b becomes f of x equals mx plus b. Good. That's all function notation means. First, we're going to find the slope. Remember that the equation for the slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you have 2 points, this is how you find the slope between those 2 points. It doesn't matter which one's 0.1, but I'll say this is 0.1. So here's x1, here's y1. Here's 0.2, so this is x2, y2. Good. y2 is -1, y1 is 3. So I have -1 minus 3 over 6 minus -2. So it's a double negative. So it's -4 over 6 plus 2, which is -4 over 8, right? -4 over 8 is actually -1/2 because I can divide 4 by 4 and I get 1. I can divide 8 by 4 and I get 2. -1/2 is my slope. M is -1/2. Now I'm going to use the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Good. y1 is 3. x1 is -2. Good. Y minus 3 equals, we know that m is -1/2 times x minus 2. Okay. I just realized that I didn't tell you that these aren't your points. I just wanted to give you an example so that you can do it on your own with your own points. All right, we're going to distribute that -1/2. So it's still y minus 3 equals -1/2 x minus 2. So we're going to say -2 times a -1/2 is going to give us a positive number. 1/2 times 2 over 1 is going to become 2 over 2, which is the number 1. Is that okay? So 1/2 times 2 becomes 1. -1/2 times a -2 becomes a positive 1. So when I distributed the -1/2 to the -2, this is what happened. Here's a -1/2, -2 become a positive. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 over 2 is 1. So that's y minus 3 equals 1/2 x plus 1. Last step, add 3, add 3. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Sorry, I almost forgot. And then final step, if we have y equals mx plus b, we're going to call it f of x equals mx plus